Registering a digital key allows you to control your vehicle without a smart key. Unlock your vehicle with a digital key. Approaching the vehicle with your smartphone will unlock the doors. If your smartphone does not support UWB, touch it to the door handle sensor unit. Start your vehicle with a digital key. All you need is your smartphone to start the vehicle. If your smartphone does not support UWB, place it on the wireless charging pad and start the vehicle. Digital keys can be shared on multiple devices, including Apple Watch. To get in and out of a vehicle, unlock the doors, and start it just by carrying your smartphone. Select Setup, Vehicle, Door, and Approach Unlock in the infotainment system. Activate Smart Tailgate to also open the tailgate. Enjoy greater convenience with a digital key.
Kia, movement that inspires.